In every home, big or small, there are a few simple rules that help keep the peace, the laughter, and the snacks flowing. These aren't fancy laws or strict commands. They're little habits that show respect, kindness, and care for one another. Here are 20 simple and slightly silly family rules to help make our home cleaner, happier, and a lot more fun. 1. Wash your hands when you get home. 2. Say please and thank you. 3. No phones at the table. 4. Put your dishes in the sink. 5. Knock before entering. Use indoor voices inside. 7. Always tell the truth. 8. Put things back where you found them. Help with chores without being asked, at least sometimes. 10. Say sorry when you hurt someone. Share the remote, the snacks, and the bathroom. 12. No yelling from another room. 13. Respect everyone's stuff. 14. Eat at least one thing green. 15. Be kind even when you're tired or annoyed. 16. Clean up your own mess. 17. Listen when someone is talking. 18. No secrets that make you feel scared or sad. 19. Say, I love you every day. 20. Have fun together. In the end, these rules aren't about being perfect. They're about showing up for each other with kindness, respect, and a little bit of silliness every day. If we can wash our hands, share the snacks, say I love you, and laugh our way through the chaos, then we're already doing this family thing pretty well.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.